Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me on my January trip to the Washington coast. My wife Piper will be joining me this weekend and we'll be staying at the Quinault Casino and Resort here in Ocean Shores. So today I'm out at Ruby Beach. We've been to Quinault and all the way up for Ocean Shores. Having a great day at the beaches. Hope you enjoy the video that follows.
Might have needed our rubber boots.
So I'm here to take pictures this weekend. My wife would like to collect some pretty rocks, and I guess I better go catch up with her. We're meeting some new friends. And seeing some pretty sights. Okay, gorgeous sights. It's January, it's about 50 degrees. The ocean's got plenty of energy. There's plenty of wildlife to look at. Washington coast is just gorgeous everywhere you look. Well, back to the hotel, get some snack, get a good night's rest for tomorrow's explorations. Maybe play a few slots. We were really happy with the way we were treated at the hotel. Food was great. The view, this was first sunset. Everything about it, the service was wonderful. So we headed out to North Jetty, get some pictures and some sound bites of the waves. Got some pretty good shots over here over the top of the jetty. And I thought I'd get some nice close-up wave shots. The sacrifice for the art. Yes, my boots are full of water. Seems like a good idea at the moment. She's not happy about that. Not at all. At least she's not doubling over like the other guy's wife. You just keep laughing. So after I cleaned up, we went about 10 minutes down the beach, and by the time we got to Damon Point, sun was out. The Olympic Mountains were spectacular. I have never experienced this view of the Olympics, so this was a real eye-opener for me. It really looks like an incredible range of mountains, which it is, but from our angle at Port Ludlow, it's a little smaller. This also gave Piper a great chance to pick up agates and fancy rocks. She even found some nice local rockhounds, gave her some hints, sent her back out to get the fancy ones. If you're a rockhound, Damon Point, absolutely great place to pick up agates and amber and lots of other rocks that I can't identify. There she is. There's her prize. And here's my prize. Spectacular view of the Olympics from Damon Point on the shore of Grays Harbor. Heading north, we swung out toward Lake Quinault. Got some beautiful pictures there too. What a beautiful lake. Then the highway takes you back out to the coast to Quinault Beach, where we were in 2016. We'd been there in April and took this shot, and now we're back 5 years later, and shot's similar, a little different beach, and the trail washed out. So we went up to Third Beach to take the trail down to the beach. In the meantime, there's some really nice forest vistas here, just beautiful places. As you can see, these steps have not washed out. So down we went to experience Third Beach. Again, we're not disappointed. It's just beautiful everywhere you look. Lots of birds, wave action, smell of the sea. It's all there. Piper and I want to encourage you to pick up just a little bit anytime you go to the beach. Helps keep it clean for everybody. Let's go look at the big cedar. Years ago, this was one of the biggest cedars. In 2014, storm or lightning or something knocked it down, and it's just a mere stump of what it once was, but it's still interesting, and they still have the big cedar tree sign on the highway, so we had to stop. This one is the prize. We're at Ruby Beach. Honestly, this is photographer's gold. It is spectacular. So many different glorious views. Interesting rock formations. We've got streams, reflections, different angles of sunlight. It's just a really great place. I could go there for weeks taking pictures. This is just kind of for fun, ducking underneath some of the rocks. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my gimbal with me when I did this, so we're bouncing around a little bit. Again, it's just beautiful everywhere you look. Look at that, Piper finally got tired. So now we're heading back. Beautiful bridge there. That was our weekend in January on the Washington coast from Ocean Shores to Ruby Beach. And now we're heading back to Port Ludlow. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll try one of my other channels, Port Ludlow Real Estate. If you're interested in real estate, that's the one to go to. Thank you again for watching Bryan Diehl on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again.